all doing great. Welcome to Uttara Home Kitchen and happy Onam to all my friends. Today I am going to make Beetroot Pachadi. I might pronounce it little different, but this recipe is very famous in Kerala and you can make it very easily with just few ingredients. This is very tasty and you can make it within just 15 to 20 minutes. And if you like my recipes, then hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Also comment down your favorite food. I will try to make as simple as I can. So let's start the preparation. So we need beetroot 1.5 cup or 2 medium size, curd 1/2 cup, coconut 1/2 cup chopped or grated, oil 4 tablespoons, use coconut oil for better result, mustard seeds 2 teaspoons, ginger 1 cm, garlic 2 to 3 pieces optional, 2 green chilies, 1 dry red chilies, curry leaves 6 to 7, salt as per taste, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, water as required or 1.5 cup. Now take a grinder jar and add coconut, ginger and garlic, green chilies, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon and add a little bit of water. Then make a smooth paste of these ingredients. Keep it aside. After that, heat a pan and add grated beetroot. Add 1 cup water little by little. Now first I am adding 1/2 cup of water. Then mix with the beetroot and then again 1/2 cup of water. Then add salt as required. Mix it well and cover and cook for 9 to 10 minutes until the beetroot is boiled. Check after 5 minutes if you think you can add 1/2 cup of water. Here I am adding 1/2 cup of water. So totally I have used 1.5 cup of water. Then again cover and cook for 5 minutes more. So totally it took 10 minutes. Turn the flame low. Now add the paste which we made earlier. Give it a good mix and then again cook for 7 to 8 minutes on high flame. After 7 to 8 minutes, it is almost done. Now adjust the consistency as you want. And then turn off the heat and let it be cool. After this become cool, add the curd and mix it well. Keep this aside. Now heat a small pan and add 4 tablespoons of oil. You can use coconut oil and any other oil you want. Now add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and 1 dry red chilli. Now fry for 5 to 8 seconds and turn off the heat. You can cover with the lid because the mustard seeds will splash in hot oil. Then add the curry leaves. Now add this tadka immediately to the beetroot pachadi. Now give it a good mix and it's ready to serve. This is very healthy as well as tasty. You can store it for 1 week in fridge. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.